Scene 2. Trojan horse. Why, it's a Trojan horse! Oh no! Look at that! Open up the gates! What's that behind the Trojan horse? I have killed the mighty Paris. He is now dead. Get up, take a bow. Take a. The end. Oh, you got so much ground. The end. I would hold your hand, but Curtsy. The end.